Good afternoon, y'all. It's your boy, Judge J21X on YouTube once again, y'all. I want to say good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at BJ's Pizza Car Meet once again, hosted by the Kenyanna Gearheads, y'all. This is basically a meet that I've never been to in a long time, honestly. We haven't had too many meets this weekend because of the rain and the weather. It's been thunderstorming bad lately out here. So with that being said, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever. Oh yeah, guys, and I want to tell y'all something. So honestly, I want to say thank y'all so much, y'all, for helping me get up to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This means a lot to me and my channel. It means a lot for the family and support. Honestly, you know, I'm happy. It's like I never thought I could ever see myself reaching up to 1,000 subs, but honestly, that was definitely a goal that I always had in my mind in life, to let myself know I want to reach to 1,000 subscribers. But thank y'all so much for helping me get up there. Now we're gonna work our way to 2,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 10K subs now. So without further ado, with that being said, we're gonna start off the grind more. The grind don't stop. We're gonna keep working, keep on doing what we're doing. And with that being said, let's get right into the video, y'all. Y'all let me know what your favorite car is down in the comments below, and let's get right into it, y'all. Here we go. So right over here, y'all, we got the Charger I brought out this afternoon, starting off the first lineup, of course. We also have the C6 Vet. Got that boy out I see. Love to see the Vet out. And then we got Snow 5 here. I didn't even think I would see him out. You got the new GT500 bumper, and then we got a Mustang GT right here, something you don't see every day. And it's a manual as well with the red leather seats. Love to see that, man, with the black and red stripe. And then over here we have the Dodge Challenger SRT8 Hemi. Very nice seeing that on the tire in the back. We got my boy here with the SRT8 Charger. Love to see that out as well. And we got the Kia Stinger right here as well, as we see in the lineup. Love to see that out. We'll walk around, kind of do a little walk around right here, show y'all the car. This color is super nice. Love the blue on this thing. And then we got this car right here. Love to see this right here roll in. New hydrant, I think you call these. So over here, y'all, we have the Shelby GT500 right here that we have many times on YouTube, of course. We also have the classic Mustang. Got the beautiful red C8 as well in this lineup, y'all. We also have the white C8 as well. And we also have a Dodge Challenger RT345. And we also have the Ford Mustang GT. And over here we have the fast Mustang right here. Holy cow, look at that. And we also have the Ford F-150 truck right here. And we have my boy right here that came fresh out of work from Tennessee. My boy with his 5.0 Mustang with the silver and purple wheels. It's a nice lineup, y'all. Check this out, y'all. I got a Ford F-150 single cab right here on some B-locks and some whelps. This is crazy how that truck is set up. I know that truck is making some serious power. Got a single cab Chevy truck right here with the cow hood. This truck right here looks like a sleeper. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can only tell from the wheel setup this thing is fast. So right over here, y'all, we have the Kenny Red C3 Corvette right over here. You love to see a beautiful C3 in this color. Got the interior right here as well. So right over here, y'all, we have a Nissan 370Z with the skeleton, y'all. Y'all know Halloween is around the corner this Friday. We also have the Volkswagen right here, 53, and the C706 with the chrome wheels right here. So right over here, y'all, we have the C8 Corvette right here with the stripes. And then we also have the 5.0 Mustang right here as well. Check this out, y'all. Got a Dodge Challenger right here. I don't know if this is a Scat Pack. It could be a Scat Pack, obviously. It's obviously a D-Badge Challenger, so who knows if this is a Scat Pack or not. It's got the nice wheels with the blue calipers. Very cool. We also have this Shelby right here with the skeletons up top. The Celine right here as well, as y'all can see. And then over here we have this classic right here. I don't know nothing about it. If y'all know the name of this, y'all let me know, because this thing looks pretty cool to look at, especially with that hood face up like the Corvettes and stuff. Check this out, y'all. Got a Chevy truck right over here. Never thought this would be possible to even see one of these. It's in that beautiful blue color, of course. Oh yeah, that's a nice truck right here. I know that thing get up and goes. Got a couple bikes right over here, y'all. Gotta love the bikes. All my biker lovers, man, here's some bikes for y'all. Got the first car leaving, y'all. Let's see if he go do something. He ain't really do nothing. Got some cars that just came in right over here, y'all. We even have the Beetle that just rolled up. Got some boss with the G8s rolling up, man. Jay, if you're watching, you got your buddies here, man. 4Giotto red wheels on that thing is crazy. Got this truck right here, and they got this motorcycle. There goes a Chevy truck. There's more bikers. Check this out, y'all. Got a chopping Camaro SS right here. This thing sounds good. Check this out, y'all. Got a yellow MR5 Super right here. You love the yellow, of course, on the banana yellow on the color with the nice rims and wheels. Look at this, y'all. Got this little cool thing right here. Yes, sir. Got a line of coming out, y'all. What's up, man? Check this out, y'all. Got a beautiful red Chevy truck right here. Looks like he's gonna leave soon. It's a very nice in that color. Got my bar rolling out with the Mustang.